Here is the second fan at the vacation house that we're going to clean. This is a Vornado fan, model CR1-0023 or 750. It's one of the nicer, older variable speed control models. And this should be much easier to clean than the last fan was. That was close. Okay, let's see if I can get this blade off of here. Not too bad. Look at that motor. It's a nice, what is this, 6-pole? Two, one, two, I have a hard time seeing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's just a 4-pole motor, but it's really nice quality. Even has oil ports right there. And that is why I say Vornado has gone downhill with their motor quality, because they do not put motors in there like this anymore. This is a really nice motor in there. So let's see what we can do here. This is kind of just going to come off like that. And this is by no means the right way to clean a fan, but this is the way I do it when I don't have any tools. Okay, that's all we're going to do for this one. That was pretty easy. Let's give it a test run. Nice slow low. Powerful high. And everything in between. It's not perfect, but it's much better than it was.